Hey, space fans! Ever wonder what life is like in the space station? That giant floating laboratory we humans put together in orbit? It's pretty remarkable. Today, we're diving into life aboard the International Space Station, from dealing with microgravity to catching some shut-eye while whizzing around the planet. Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of the ISS. Imagine yourself floating. Not in water, but in mid-air. That's everyday life on the ISS. Without gravity constantly pulling things down, astronauts experience some pretty strange things. Think about pouring a glass of water on Earth. Simple, right? In space, the water would just float around in blobs. Microgravity creates a unique environment for scientific experiments. Scientists use the ISS to study everything from the effects of space on the human body to the behavior of fluids and flames in zero-G. The things we're learning from these experiments are expanding our understanding of the universe and leading to advancements in medicine and technology on Earth. So yeah, microgravity is a pretty big deal on the ISS. It affects everything astronauts do and is a goldmine for scientific discovery. Let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, food. Early astronauts had to contend with food that was less than appetizing. We're talking about powdered drinks, semi-liquid pastes squeezed out of tubes, not exactly gourmet meals. Today, astronauts have a surprisingly diverse menu to choose from, including rehydrated meals, thermostabilized pouches, and irradiated meats. They even have specially designed salt and pepper shakers so the contents don't float away. But eating in space isn't as straightforward as you might think. Microgravity affects how food behaves, smells, and even tastes. It's a whole sensory experience up there. After a long day of conducting experiments and gazing at our beautiful planet, even astronauts need their rest. But sleeping in space? That's a whole other story. Astronauts sleep in cozy sleeping bags strapped to the walls of their crew quarters to prevent drifting around the station all night long. The ISS has a closed-loop life support system, meaning the air is constantly being filtered and recycled. Astronauts usually get pretty good sleep in space, exhausted after a long day of work, with the gentle hum of the space station's systems being surprisingly soothing. Plus, can you imagine a more incredible view to wake up to every morning? Let's talk about spacewalks. A spacewalk, or extravehicular activity, EVA, is when an astronaut steps outside the space station into the vacuum of space. Spacewalks are crucial for the maintenance and repair of the station. Astronauts venture outside to install new equipment, replace faulty components, or conduct scientific experiments that can only be done in the extreme environment of space. Spacewalks are no walk in the park. Astronauts wear bulky, pressurized spacesuits that keep them alive in the harsh conditions of space. These suits provide oxygen, regulate temperature, and protect against micrometeoroids and radiation. It's an incredibly challenging and dangerous job, but somebody's got to do it, right? The International Space Station isn't just a marvel of engineering. It's a shining example of what we humans can achieve when we work together. This incredible orbiting laboratory is the result of collaboration between 15 different countries: the United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, and several European nations. It's a true testament to international cooperation, with different nations putting aside their differences in the name of science and exploration. Scientists and engineers from around the globe share knowledge, resources, and a common goal of pushing the boundaries of human understanding. In a world often divided, the ISS stands as a symbol of unity, a beacon of hope that reminds us of what we can achieve when we put our minds and hearts together. And that, my friends, is something truly special. Well, there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the extraordinary lives of the astronauts aboard the International Space Station. From the challenges of microgravity to the wonders of spacewalks, life on the ISS is an adventure unlike any other. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about life on the ISS, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating space facts. And the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there are people up there orbiting our planet, pushing the boundaries of human exploration, and reminding us of the incredible things we can accomplish when we work together.